Hello, I'm Sarah Casson, so welcome to another Bags and Beauty video. I'm so excited. Today I'm going to show you everything that comes in the custom enrollment kit. Now, please keep in mind, I put this together of things that I already had in my kit, so you will see that some of the embroidery is in some of the wrong places. If you have our paper catalog, you will see the original enrollment kit that's just $99. I'm talking about the custom enrollment kit, and on here it states that you get to choose personalization on the large utility tote, mini zipper pouch, and close to home caddy. So some of my embroidery is in the wrong places. I will share the digital version of this catalog, and it's the very last page to get all the details about what I'm going to talk about here. So I'm just doing a visual representation of the amount of products that come in the custom kit. So all the same products come in the original enrollment kit. It's just the custom one, you get to pick your colors. So these are all colors that you could choose, but again, like I said, some of the embroidery is in the wrong place. So the first thing I have here is our classic large utility tote. This is one of our top sellers at any given time, and this is a favorite size from our utility department. So I have that here in the new black and white print. The first thing I'm going to pull out is our round utility tote. Now I've done a whole featured video just on this, with lots of great details about how to use it. My favorite use is probably going to be a pool bag or taking to the farmer's market. But like I said, plenty of details about that. Just real quick, I'm going to tell you, it's got a flat pocket on the outside, and again, a flat pocket on the inside. So with this being a $35 value on its own, it's also got this great shimmer in this pink here. So this is a $35 on its own. So if this is on your wish list, this is item number 1. I'm gonna give you another item right here. So that one's $35. This next one I have here is $98 value. This is a backpack that's completely thermal on the inside. I loved its rounded silhouette here. It's kind of stiff. It will hold up its shape. So on the inside you'll see our ice blue lining, which means you can put the ice right in. It's got leak lock lining. So imagine how many bottles of wine, how many 2 liters, how much bottles of water, how many snacks can you fit in here? This is enough for a whole family picnic. We have 3 children in our family, and I know this is enough to get us through a day at the zoo. And then you've got this pocket here that you can put other good things in there to keep it separate from what may be wet on the inside here, keeping cool. So this is a great place to store your keys and your cell phone right in here. I really like this. I wear a 2X or a size 20. So just to give you a size reference, it is quite comfortable on my back. These straps are very comfortable. So it's just to give you a size reference. You can also choose our denim blue or a marigold yellow in this. So again, this one's value is $98. So if you like just these first 2 products that I've told you about, this is about $130, which is the value of the whole kit. Well, I should say the price of the whole kit. The value of the whole kit is $400. So if you're liking just these 2 products, it's worth it to buy the kit. All right. The next item we have is our close to home caddy, and this is one that you do get to choose the personalization on in the custom kit. It is one of our wooden products. I really like how this kit gives you utility backpack and wooden products so far. So it gives you a wide variety of our different spectrum of prints, because everybody tends to like a certain part of our styles that we offer, and this really has something for everyone in this enrollment kit. So here's our wooden. Mine says slow down and enjoy life. And this is also a really great desk plate for someone who has a title. Some of our personalization items are 2 lines, so that you could do like their job title and then their official name. So I really like that. And I'm going to show you for a size reference. There's a regular pad of Post-its, and each one of these squares is just about the same size as a Post-it. I've got a typical pen here, just to show you the height reference. So this is a great place to stick writing utensils and desk utensils, as well as kitchen utensils. Next, we have our Around Town Tote. This is one of my favorite totes that could pass for a work bag, just a daily tote, or even a purse, whatever your preference is. It comes in a wide variety of colors. And on the back here, we have a zipper pocket and 2 flat pockets. I like to call these lipstick and sunglass pockets because that's typically what people stick in there. This one has a very flexible silhouette. You can change it depending on what's inside. And when it's full of stuff, it will stand up, but not when it's empty, as you can see. Next, what we're going to talk about is what would go inside your purse. We've got our mini zipper pouch. Again, this is a classic product that we've had for a long time. What I like about the mini zipper pouch is while it's called mini, it's more than a coin pouch because it's big enough to hold your writing utensils or even your glasses. I know you can't really see my glasses against this print, but it will hold adult glasses or sunglasses as well. It's also great for cosmetics, keeping the inside of your purse organized. And our ever popular All About the Benjamins. So you can choose what color of Benjamins you want, and it comes with a wristlet strap. You can do matching or contrast. I chose to do matching. And on the inside, this is our #1 selling wallet. On the inside, we've got loads of ID slots, space for cash, more card slots, and a space for change. So lots of great storage in there. This is a really great grab and go item. You can throw your cell phone inside, you can throw your checkbook inside, and be good to go just like this, or you could add it to the inside of a purse. Another home item is our little Carry-All Caddy. And just for a size reference, a roll of toilet paper or a pack of tissue, a square pack of tissues will fit in here nicely, just to give you a size reference. And it does have this little mesh pocket on the back. I like using these to organize countertops and desktops, whether it be mail or office supplies, or in the bathroom, all the lotions and potions that get scattered across the counter. Keep it all in one place. And next is our thermal tote. This is another one of our favorite top-selling totes. I love how flat it is when it's empty. It's a great size for both children and adults. There's enough room to store sandwich boxes, snacks, and drinks. You can fit 6 bottles of water on the inside. Just give you a good size reference. And it's got our shiny silver lining, which means no ice. You have to use an ice pack with a shiny silver lining. And it's got a great pocket right here for you to stick your utensils and your napkins on the inside. And last but not least, we have our large utility tote. So if you want just a couple of these items, you can see how it is worth it to build your own kit and enroll with 31. I hope that you enjoyed this Bags and Beauty video. Again, I'm Sarah Cassens, your 31 gal. I will have the digital catalog linked into the description. Thank you so much. Bye!